BI Nirvana in 90 days. It's really a conjunction of HANA Live and our consulting services. We're able to get these organizations to BI Nirvana. BI Nirvana is being able to make those decisions with the data that you know you have and get that data to the right person at the right time so they can make that decision and so they can improve their organization. Textile Rubber Chemical Corporation, based out of Dalton, Georgia, came to us with the challenge of needing real-time operational reporting with their newly implemented SAP ECC system. And so we recommended to them, and they implemented Suite on HANA in conjunction with HANA Live. Now, with HANA Live, we were able to provide them the real-time visibility from their operations, as well as customize and tailor that to their specific needs, in this case, in the areas of finance and sales analytics. Upon completion of that implementation, they were able to look at cash flow, inventory metrics, variance reporting, look at their balance sheet, and really just get an overall view of their organization. And we were able to do that within like 6 to 8 weeks from implementation, which is something that was very difficult to do with other alternatives such as BW or even a custom data warehouse. There's the inherent benefit of Suite on HANA, so your actual SAP environment runs faster, and they've certainly benefited from that. Our focus is on analytics. And so immediately they were able to get real-time visibility into a number of things, whether it be cash flow, cash position, profitability by customer, profitability by product, those types of things. One interesting use case they were able to derive from a variance report was that they were able to look at sort of any anomalies that you might see within the manufacturing process. And in one case, they were able to identify within a matter of days that they were using basically too many materials in a manufacturing process. And from a visual perspective, when you graph these types of things, it was very visible that they were using too many of a particular product. Well, upon further inspection of that analysis, they were able to determine that within a particular customer on a particular production line, they were using too much material for their end result. It turned out a scale was misweighing product. They were able to fix the problem and create a tremendous cost savings and a return on investment within a matter of weeks from the deployment of the solution. I think that there's a sort of a misconception that HANA is really for the large enterprise, that it's so costly or it's such a big decision that it's not something that can benefit a smaller organization. But really, in our experience, it's the smaller organizations that are really impacted by the lack of visibility into this great SAP ECC system that they have. And in the absence of a solution like this, they might extract data out of the SAP GUI. They might drag data into Excel. They might spend weeks and weeks and weeks consolidating information. And of course, that's what these folks did. And that's what a myriad of other customers do. In this case, we were able to provide them that type of real-time visibility, but with sort of the data governance and the consolidation that a larger organization might expect, without as many moving pieces, really with less cost, and with less cost moving forward as well.